In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make background transparent in Figma. If you've ever needed to reduce or remove a background so other layers or images show through, transparency is the fastest way to do it in Figma. It's perfect for creating overlays, softening a backdrop, or preparing assets that sit on top of different colored pages or images. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser and signing in if needed. Once you're on the home screen, open your project so you can work directly on the design where you want the background to be transparent. Give the file a second to load and zoom to a comfortable level so you can clearly see the area you're editing. Next, click on your background. This could be a rectangle covering the artboard or the fill of a frame that acts as the backdrop. You'll know you have the right thing selected when you see the selection highlight, and the Properties panel on the right shows options for fill. If you don't see a fill option on the right, G8, double-check that you've selected the actual background layer and not a text or icon on top of it. On the right side, find the Fill section. This is where Figma controls the color and transparency of the selected layer. Click the color swatch to open the color picker and look for the opacity control. You can drag the opacity slider left to decrease transparency or type in a percentage value. Lower values mean more transparency. A value of 0% makes it fully transparent, and 100% is fully opaque. As you decrease the transparency, you'll notice the background begins to fade, revealing whatever is beneath it. If you drop it all the way to G, it may look like the background disappeared, but it's still there. It's just invisible. While it's selected, Figma shows a thin blue outline around the layer to help you see its boundaries. That blue line is only a selection highlight and won't appear in your final design. If you need a subtle effect, try a partial transparency like 10 to 30% so the background softens without vanishing completely. You can always adjust the slider later to fine-tune the look as your design evolves. And remember, you're only changing the transparency of the selected background, not the rest of your layers. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your project, select the background, and reduce the fill transparency. With just a small adjustment, you can create clean, flexible layouts that work beautifully across different contexts.